Hey, this is Harrison French, and this is my 2012 bike check.
This is my bike check. My bike is all custom. I have no stock parts on it. I have ODI grips in blue, S&M bar ends, Eastern Wonder Years bars, Mission Components Converge stem, Eastern Ramrodder frame 2010, I think, Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, Miracle cranks, which I'm getting new Easterns in like a couple days. Fly Circo, I don't know how to say it. Tom Whitewall tires, Miracle front rim, Fit Blade forks. They're kind of old. I don't know. I got them for a friend. Cane Creek headset, nitrous back wheel, the double shot and blue, and I have an Eastern Cop and Lock hub guard on that too. KMC chain, black label bottom bracket, Fit pivotal seat with the nitrous seat post. There we go. Fly pegs, front and back, and yeah, I think that's it. I'll have an updated bike check coming up soon.
Also hit me up on Vital at Harrison14.